So one of the things that I'm doing is I'm working on a book. I've been working on the book since 2015. This is the practical project management book. This is for, people who are experts at something other than project management, but, want to do a better job in their projects. And just for my network, which includes anybody that's in your network, Sina, I am doing these manuscript readings, and for anybody that shows up and contributes, you get and I gamified it. Shocker, right? You get a point just for showing up. If you engage in the chat, and give feedback or whatever, you get another point. And if you stay to the end for the group picture, you get another point. And the points all add up over time to for the contributor list in the book. So even just by showing up just one time, your name can be listed in my upcoming book. But I'm really doing it, because I needed to make a game for myself. And I noticed that I show up better for other people than I do for myself. So just having, it on my calendar that I'm to show up for whoever, even if it's just me and my mom, right? And it hasn't turned out that way. Actually, my mom hasn't even showed up at all. She will at one time or not. She's in Hawaii. What are you gonna do? But that's fine. But people it's been amazing. I've done it a few times now. Each time they're like, yeah, we do it again. I'm like, okay. So as long as the people keep saying, yeah, we do it again, I'll do another session. So our next session is coming up on Cinco de Mayo. You can go to actually on the homepage of PMOtraining.com. There's a big picture, of the manuscript reading, and you can read more about it if you'd like to check it out if that sounds interesting to you. And for PMPs, PMPs earn PDUs for that as well. So it's free. It's totally free. It's just about me trying to show up and get the momentum and serve my community, and also get feedback, which has been incredible. I mean, these folks that have shown up, their feedback has been amazing, and it's been a lot of fun. So I invite everybody to, that's interested, who's maybe a book nerd or interested in, what's it like to get behind the scenes of putting a book together, just join us. You can join us one time and see what you think, and you can keep coming or not, that's fine. But that's one thing that's really fun. Also on my homepage, really excited. I got featured in a Realtor.com article. The writer was amazing. Her middle name was Dawn, so I don't know, maybe there was something there, but she was really, really amazing, and I'm really excited about that. So if you have a home and you have home projects that are undone, and that's annoying you, I highly recommend you check out the Realtor.com article that's featured on my website. You can head over to Realtor.com and check out that article too. Or if you know anybody who's struggling to get their home projects done, it might be helpful to them. So that was a lot of fun to work on. I'm really excited about it also. So hopefully it helps some people, get their home projects done. I know a lot of people have engaged in home projects during COVID. So that was why we wrote that article. Yeah. So there's that. And then certainly, there are classes coming up all the time. Classes are coming up in June for some certifications. But to find out, more.
You got one happening in a few minutes, right?
Yeah, exactly. I have. That's right. So I have to get going shortly, because I have a practical project management certification class to run at noon. That's the one where we use Factsumo, to help it. But